This video is sponsored by SimpliSafe. More on that in a little bit. Hey everyone, I'm Blake and welcome to BM Sculptures. In this video, I'm going to be making one of the most valuable sculptures to date. Stick around to the end and I'll show you how you can purchase this one-of-a-kind piece. Now let's get right into the build. If you don't know what I'm doing here, I highly suggest you check out my previous video where I did a full experiment on pouring inside this refrigerator. This was a huge experiment and it ended up changing the game for me. So be sure and check that out. I will put a card up above. Now that we are done with the pour, it's time to start carving, and you always want to start a sculpture with really good reference images, so thank you Laura for this 3D rendering. I will put a link to her socials in the description. Let's start carving this thing. Once I get to this stage, the shape is basically complete. It's all about just refining the small details. So this is a very tedious process, but it's all about taking your time and making sure to just take away a little bit of material at a time and just refining the shape little by little. Believe it or not, filming and editing these videos take about the same time as actually carving the sculpture. If you guys like watching these videos, hit that subscription button to show your support. It would help me create more videos like this in the future. Thanks, guys. If you're interested in purchasing this sculpture, it'll be featured on a new NFT marketplace called Ronin. Visit ronin.art and sign up for more details. Now let's get into the big reveal. Let me know what you guys want me to carve next, and huge thank you to Simply Safe for sponsoring this video. I'll see you guys next time.